Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the oil surface indicator and the inspection indicator of a Volkswagen T-Roc 2022. I have two other Volkswagen T-Roc videos on my channel. These are slightly different than this one. These have slightly different buttons on the steering wheel. Let's start right away. First, have the ignition turned on. Then we're gonna go to wait for this indicator to disappear. I'm gonna go to the menu, press the down button over here, then find the distance and time, press to the right once, then press and hold the right button for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 seconds release, then you'll enter the service menu. Reset oil service, press OK, press another OK. Service interval has reset. Then wait for it to go back to the service menu, reset inspection, press OK twice, wait for it to go back to the menu again, then scroll down to close, do the check by turning the ignition on and off, and you'll see that the indicator for the surface and the inspection won't pop up anymore. This one is slightly different than the previous videos I have made about the T-Roc. I hope this helped you to reset your T-Roc. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Sub if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.